I am Dr. Narendra Gupta. Today I will present a case of Belladonna, very simple case, just to break all the myths, all the false concept of homeopathy. This is a case of an obese lady aged 44 years running a beauty parlor, complaining of right foot swollen since 1 month, pain in ankles. This pain aggravates in the morning and on sitting. Blood pressure 160 by 110. She uses diuretics, menopause at age of 42. She was referred to me by one of my patients. She has to work with her staff at her beauty parlor, so she does not get sufficient time to take rest. When she entered my clinic, she laughingly said that Deepti means my old patient. My old patient referred her to me. So now we should know the reason why she is narrating her story like this, why she has mentioned the name of my old patient. This can be easily understood by body language, the way she speaks or way the patient speaks. So she laughingly and a very enthusiastic tone, she narrated all this. So this shows that she is not an ordinary one. She has been referred by someone who has close relationship with you and very important for you. So I am too very important to you. So this was the gesture. So I took it as pompous. The whole conversation was in a laughing mood. So laughing involuntarily or hide things when laughing. I have high blood pressure. I have not got it checked since long. In spite of knowing that she is having high blood pressure, she has not get it checked. So why? This says that she is so great, there is no need for me to get it checked. So this is again a pompous behavior, pompous act of pompousness. So these words, whatever I am telling you, you cannot conceive with these words, but the way she spoke give you that she is feeling something important she is feeling that she is something important. But I am not taking any medicine for my high blood pressure also. This is frivolous. If she is having high blood pressure, she should have continued with the high blood pressure hypertensive medicines, but she is not taking. So this is absolutely a frivolous act on her part. When I asked her that why does she not take proper medicine for blood pressure, so just to dilute the gravity of her mistake, she laughingly replied, "Oh, just because of nothing. There is no specific reason for it. Oh, no, okay. But now onwards I will regularly take it." So when this thing she said with a laughing tone, just to lighten the atmosphere, that I might comment something. So this is light, desire for, and hiding things. What is she hiding? She was hiding her real intention that she is not a frivolous lady. But just now, by the way, she did not start the medicine of blood pressure, or future she will do. So she does not want to take the burden. So she doesn't want to listen anything harsh from my mouth. So that's why she has lightened the mood. She says further, yes. I agree that was my mistake. Means just by accepting her mistake, she has lightened the atmosphere. But when I interrogated her deeply using certain tricks, finding no way left for her to escape. So desire to escape means wants to run away. She replied, but the reality is that, because now she find trapped in my questionnaire. So she says, but reality is that means now she is telling the truth. She is exposing her real nature. So this is equivalent to naked wants to be. Wants to means now this is a compulsion on her part that she has to become naked. means she has to expose her real intentions. Since I have started meditating means meditating through Sahaj Yoga, I have left using every kind of medicine. But we never say Sahaj Yoga never says that you leave everything, every medicine, every kind of treatment and just meditate. But it is also true, if you meditate in Sahaj Yoga and evolve, get a certain state of meditative mood, then your diseases get cured. That is also true. But it depends on individual to individual. So this kind of fact that because of she is meditating, she has given up all kind of medicine is a foolishness. Since I have started meditating, I have left using every kind of medicine. I just feel it a burden to take the medicine. Means taking the medicine she felt as a burden, so just to give up. So it is light desire for. But though this is a kind of foolishness. I realize now that I have committed mistakes. That's why I said it was a foolishness. But what can I do now? If I have committed mistake, I have committed it. So there is nothing serious about it. Normally, if someone realizes that he has committed certain mistakes, he always try to amend it or feel some sorry for it. But she says, what can I do if I have committed such kind of mistakes? Okay now. So this is frivolous act. So now onwards I will continue to take the medicine. Earlier I used to pray Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi. Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi is the founder of Sahaj Yoga and her religious guru, to cure me by her blessings. So this is very easy. You put your burden to somebody else. So she has put all her burden to Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi, to her religious guru. So there are two things. One, she wants to remain light, doesn't want to take any burden of taking medicine. So this is light desire for, and she has, because Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi is her guru, so she has a faith in her also. So this is the religious affections. So on inquiring, she told that she runs a beauty parlor. There she has to work along with the staff, so she does not find enough time to take rest. But it means she wants to take rest, but there is no option. So it is this equivalent to rubric rest desire for. Doctor Saab, when I feel that there is no important customer present at the parlor, I leave the parlor under my staff's care and I would go in my room to lie down. So it means she has a tendency to take rest. So this is rubric is rest desire for. Laughingly she replied, she said, now I have come to you to take your advice that under such circumstances, what should I do now? So this is light desire for. Whole conversation was in a very light atmosphere as she kept on laughing, showing no sign of seriousness regarding her disease. So our above conversation was converted into following rubrics: pompous, important; frivolous, hiding things, desire for light; naked, wants to be, means she wants to reveal her real thinking, that is, wants to remove all her coverings; praying, religious affection; and rest desire for. So on the basis of these rubrics and her behavior, live behavior, so Belladonna 33 doses was prescribed, and along with the routine remedy. After 1 week, she felt very much relaxed and energetic and left taking rest during day. So again, routine medicine was continued for 3 months. BP came gradually down to 130/90, almost in a normal range. During the treatment, she got vesicular eruptions on tongue and several times, but with the placebo, they get cured. She was not regular in taking medicine, used to visit my clinic after more than 12 to 15 days instead of coming every week. So this is a frivolous act. This is a very common Belladonna patient. Number one, she is very frivolous, he is very frivolous, and he is never serious about the promises he has made. So unreliable promises in. Thanks for watching the video.